Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2014 Jeep Cherokee headlight. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly behind the front corner. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and remove any debris or clips blocking access. Keep bulbs in a clean container and avoid touching glass with bare fingers to prevent oils from shortening bulb life. Next, rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise and gently pull the bulb and connector free from the assembly. If space is tight, remove a few inner fender clips to gain better access to the housing and work area. Carefully unclip the harness and inspect for corrosion or frayed wires that may need repair. Set the old bulb aside and clean the housing area so the new bulb seats securely and aligns properly when reinstalled. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and get more car tips. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that actually last and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long jobs under the hood when you need comfort and durability. I found they make crouching on cold garage floors much easier, and you can find the link and deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new bulb by its base and avoid touching the glass to prevent hot spots and shorten life. Align the bulb tabs with the housing slots, insert gently, and rotate clockwise until the socket locks in place. Reconnect the wiring harness and briefly reconnect the negative battery terminal to test low and high beams and turn signals. Once confirmed, disconnect the battery again, resecure any fender liners or clips, and tighten everything down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.